Withdrawing money from TikTok to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Open TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile page. Step 3. Navigate to Settings. In your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines or the 3 dots in the top right corner to access the Settings menu. Step 4. Select Wallet. From the Settings menu, find and select the Wallet option. This is where you can manage your earnings and payment methods. Step 5. Withdraw funds. In the Wallet section, you will see your available balance. Tap on the Withdraw button, enter the amount you wish to transfer, and follow the prompts to link your bank account if you haven't done so already. Confirm the withdrawal to complete the process. Once you have completed these steps, your funds will be processed and transferred to your bank account. Make sure to check your bank account for the deposit after a few business days.